Welcome to Loksatta Yashasvi Bhava. In today's session, we'll discuss about question number 4 of section A. Now, in this section A, question number 4, two questions are asked, each for 5 marks, and you have to answer only one. Now, first question is related to human eye. In case of human eye, what will happen? This comes under the hot category. So, where the question is based on the knowledge which you have. Now here, in case of human being, if refracted light rays meet at a blind point. So what you should know here? You should know what is the blind point of the human eye. Then if the rays meet at that point, what will happen? So that you have to answer. Next, ciliary muscles become weak. So you should know the weakness of ciliary muscle causes what type of the eye defect. You write down that eye defect. Now, in D, the color of iris is blue. Students, remember, the color of iris doesn't play the important role in the vision. So, such a type of the important things or the clues which are included within this question, find out them and use your pre-knowledge and answer that. Another alternative for this question is this type of the question, where 3 blocks are given along with their dimensions and asked to compare their current passing capacity. So here, what is important? The cross section area and the length. We have to compare the current carrying capacity. So you should know that the current carrying capacity is related to the resistance. So find out this relation between resistance and the current carrying capacity. So then, how this length and area affects the length? If you come to know about that, then automatically you can find out the current carrying capacity, or you can compare the current carrying capacity of all these 3 blocks, and then you will find out which one is a more conducive, okay, or which one is a less conducive. So such a type of the answers are expected in question number 4. Okay, as I already told you, they may ask you any proof or comprehension type question also. Now we will proceed for our section B. Dear students, section B is totally based on chapter number 8 to chapter number 13. So now we will discuss about our objective type questions of section B. In this objective type question, we are asked the first question for the correlation. Now in this correlation, sulfide ores, the process is given as a roasting, and carbonate ore, you have to fill in the blank. So here, what is that process is called, that you should understand and answer accordingly. Second thing, name is given, Mendel name is given, related to the laws of inheritance of the trait. Then you have to find out the scientist who is related to theory of natural selection. So this core, if you understand the correlation, then you can answer very easily. Now, in that sub question, state whether the following statements are true or false. So there are 2 statements given. You have to find out whether it is true or false. The first one is plasma is called the fluid, tissue fluid. So what is the keyword in the particular sentence? Tissue fluid is a keyword. So check whether it is a tissue fluid or not. Then you can answer whether it is a true or false. Similarly, for the second question, for the true or false, the secretion of insulin is affected by what? So understand this phenomena, and then by understanding the keyword, you can understand whether it is a true or false. Now, in this section B, objective type question is a answer in 1 line or 1 sentence. The first question is asked about the isomer. So here, this is the question related to which topic that you should know. Sometimes students may confuse with isomers, isobars or isotopes. So this is related to your carbon chemistry. So what is that isomer? The wording is given in text. Prepare that and write down as it is. Next, about what is the importance of vas deferens of the male reproductive system. So here, what is expected? Importance means what is the real function of that particular organ. So we have male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. So you should know each and every part function. So here also important means what? You should mention the function of that particular organ. Now in objective, answer in one line. C question, write to vestigial organ present in a human being. First thing, what type of the organs are asked? Vestigial organs. Then in human being, not in any other animal. So you should be strict to human being. So find out these two organs and then mention. Now before writing this, first understand what is meant by vestigial organ. See, while answering any question, try to understand the wording or the sentence of that particular question. So then only you can reflect in a proper answer. In the next session, we will discuss about the remaining questions of section B. Thank you.